If you're creative who needs a laptop that can keep up with your imagination, the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Ultra Aura Edition is a great option. It's got super fast Intel-powered AI support for all your projects, so let's take a look at what it can do. This laptop can speed up your creativity thanks to some amazing AI tools, and the AI works quickly because it's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 Series 3 processor. It's got Copilot built in, so you can get intelligent support for loads of your apps, and this means you can spend more time on being creative and less time on the details. If you're in a bit of a creative slump, Copilot can help you to kick off your process with image generation tools. Here, you can generate images in all sorts of styles just with a simple text prompt. And if you've already taken a photo or made a sketch, AI can enhance it too. All it takes is a couple of clicks and a quick prompt, and you get really speedy results, all without having to learn any complicated software or spend hours on the details yourself. It's great for video editing too, which is something that often requires a lot of power. You can make quick edits again with the help of AI, and as all of this is being handled for you, you've got more room for creative freedom. The Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processor gives this laptop loads of power and a longer all-day battery life. You also get 32 gigs of RAM to make light work of multitasking, which is especially important if you're using power-hungry creative apps. It's great for taking on the go too, with 1 terabyte of storage built in to store all your projects and weighing only 975 grams. If you'd like more info about the Intel-powered Lenovo Yoga Slim 7i Ultra, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.